What's up guys, Performance by Preach here. So it's finally done. The MX-5 Mazda Miata has been turbocharged. Everything done in-house here by Turbo Smart, guys. So as you can see, we run the boost pipe down through the intercooler here, big nice Apexi race cooler, all the way up here. There's a new fuel pressure regulator, and then obviously the awesome and amazing downpipe going down there with all of the pie cuts. So guys, stay tuned. Let's quickly give this thing a start, hear what it sounds like. So there's the Miata running. Got some fuel pressure going. So guys, everything has been done now. It's been turbocharged. We'll do some pulls and everything. So just letting it idle, checking everything, making sure everything's happy. And then yeah, she's idling. There's no leaks. So we've done it, guys. Turbo Miata. Stay tuned for some pulls.